don't know what's under there. Oh, hang on. There's a little tiny. There's nothing there.
That's
Right, down to
the end
four.
of the probably of the pin he put in.
Yeah, we're down to 4. Not 5. Oh no, hang on. They're very small. These ones. We're down to 3 and 1 little tiny.
She was charged with separate counts of fraud by the Crown Prosecution Service, the Environment Agency and Trading Standards, and was sentenced to 8 months in jail for fraud and having no licence. We pay so hard just for a business.
Wow.
Can be so
Go on.
Okay.
and everything is sort of too hours. It's very callous. Whilst this is an extreme case, it does highlight the discrepancies in the cremation services on offer. Pet owners routinely aren't being given the cremation they believe they're paying for. For a lot of people, reception is individual cremation equals their pet being looked after.
Don't be taking a photograph of yourself, it's very vain.
Just filming. So I can show to my wife and my son. They said, "Could you take pictures?" No, I said, "Better I'm going to film it so you can look on the detail."
That's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, we found a little more holes on my foot that he told me. He lied to me. Well, they are tiny, no?
They are tiny.
But they're still there.
They're still there. Lovely, jubbly.
On their own in an enclosed chamber until the cremation is fully completed. All their ashes are then removed and given back to the owner. Some companies will do number tray cremation where 10, 15, possibly more pets are placed on trays and then put into a chamber at the same time. The other practice
Oh, those were the 3 big ones.
1, 2, 3 big ones. That doesn't. That's nothing.
And the one
That's
on the
healed
heel.
up. And then
We
yes,
will need
1,
to
2,
put up.
3, and then that little one there. So, no.